What's up, you guys? Me, Matt Korea. Today is actually I finally got a chance to do another using the game instant button again. So now, I'm gonna show you guys some more. Like I want to show you guys, like this one. Okay, here's something good. Hold on. Okay, here's one I know you guys will love.
I'm a buff baby that can dance like a man. I can shake a my fanny, I can shake a my can. I'm a tough tootin' baby, I can punch your buns. Punch your buns, I can punch all your buns. If you're an evil witch, I will punch you for fun.
Yep, that was good, and I liked it actually. But you know, guys, Mia. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. Just the phone again.
Bazinga! Bazinga! I've got balls of steel.
I don't know. I don't get the one.
Bag!
Never doing that again. Thank you.
I used to be an adventurer like you, and I took an arrow in the knee.
Oh, that must have hurt.
I'm Batman.
Yeah, if you guys watch Robot Chicken, this is one thing. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry.
I'm Batman.
Yep. I don't know that one. I don't know what the best cry is. I don't know. I like that song so badly.
Challenge accepted.
You know what, guys? This is a bunch of bull. And you know what else? I'm gonna discuss no matter what the I want. Hey, Mia, go over here. But time to celebrate because my video's about to end. Boom.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Huh. This is Cable. Sorry, guys, that was my fault. Oh, speaking of that song, let me guys show you. You can also go here to your favorites. Guys, it's kind of blurry, guys. You can go to your favorites, and now I got a whole bunch, like this one. Banda, I don't know. I thought it was kind of manga. Game over. My dog's attracted to that sound. Mia! I wish you guys could see her face right now. I will be doing a fact sooner or later. That's your announcement.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Guys, guess what?
Guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Hump day!
Yay! Can't get out of it!
Like a mouse.
Yay! Can't get out of it!
No.
Like a mouse.
I don't know that.